This Duracell torch has stopped working, which is annoying. This is actually quite a heavy-duty torch, quite well made. Well, it can't be that well made because it's stopped working. Now, I put some new batteries in this, and it's just not doing anything. And I've definitely put the batteries in the right way.
To what, sir? Strike him, Centurion, very roughly. Ah!
I think. Yes, I have. There's a little bit of residue inside here, but I don't think the last battery's leaked. I could be wrong. We've got signs around the place here of something, but I don't know what it is. So, let's put these batteries in and let's see if we're getting... Well, it should be 6 volts here to see whether the problem's in here or in here. Multimeter in voltage DC. There, 6 volts. So that is okay. Unless the bulb itself has gone, obviously. But I would find that quite surprising. I think the problem's going to be inside here. Because that is where the switch is. How do you get in there? That is the question. And it is a question I do not know the answer to.
It's not a torch, it's a flashlight. Why does it flash when you use it at night? Don't matter who cares, agree or disagree. It's either or either, don't you see? Let's crack open this thing, set it free. Should be easy to fix, even for me. No leaky batteries makes this odder. Hopefully it'll just need a bit of solder. Frito TV, kicking things off. Thanks to all, like the Badger Squatch. Cooey, Cooey Jingers, Cooey, Cooey to you too. Anthony Dean, Tim Alves, Magdeburg, you the man. Tidder is where it all began. Adam Taylor in his classical ode. Out of this world like Celestial Road. Lee Benz, what's your word? Just how tall is Dr. Princess Wizard? Thanks to everyone who enjoys the show. The HSGs now, love them all, yo. Welcome to Friendsky Friends. Shame I've already rhymed. Lee Benz, Nick Adams, Kendall Burt, Infinity, hanging on, although we tried to quit, G. Fox Cutter, Lodger, Kill Switch, Alice Margatroyd, In Flim, Jonathan Wiggs, John Mahler, Markovitz 19, Chris Jenkins, Ars Newton Scenes, Isaac Hall, Stefan One, Stuart Coles. Welcome back to those who forward scrolled, just in time to finish this release with the Monkey Joe, Tokyo, and Love and Peace.
Aha! Gotcha. Right. Well, it does look a bit minging in there. Definitely needs a clean. But what is going to be the problem with it? Right, let's see if we can get into this now. This should be a bit easier. Yep. Yeah, definitely signs of corrosion inside there, isn't there? Right, okay. So they're just on springs. Springs look okay. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, that's right. I mean, that doesn't look great, does it? Let's see if the switch is doing anything. Okay, multimeter in continuity. So do we have continuity when we flick the switch? Can we flick the switch? No. So I don't believe that's... Oh? Oh, okay. It's not great. It's coming and going. It's gone. Right, okay. I think all we're going to need to do... Well, let's clean this up for a start. And then I think we might need to resolder these two connections here. Clean these contacts. Tell you what, let's desolder the switch from this little board. Clean the board up. And then we'll see if we can get inside the switch and give it a bit of a clean as well. this a clean first. Isopropyl alcohol. Oh, it's starting to expose the little tracks there, which I guess we should have checked that to make sure. In fact, let's do that now. Multimeter and continuity. Yep. Yeah, but it didn't work straight away. It's not working there. Seems to be okay. Very tarnished, this. I might need to get the grinding pen on it or something. Let's use the fiberglass pen, see if we can just get rid of some of this tarnish. Ah, that's much better. Right, let's have a look inside this switch. Although the switch was working, let's just check it again. So it's on now. Now it's off. It's on. Off. On, off. Yeah, you get the picture. That's working fine. I don't think the problem was that. I think it was this board. It was very tarnished. Solder wasn't great. So let's resolder that back on. I'm actually going to put a blob of hot glue, I think, on there to keep that down, because it does move around quite a bit, which I don't think will be good for the solder joints. Teeny blob. Yes, there we go. It's nice and solid. Let's resolder this. Nice. Let's just check with the old multimeter to see if we're getting good continuity on these pads now. Yeah, that is nice. Right, let's clean the rest of this up and then we'll pop it back together, see if it works. How does that go in? I forgot. Okay, here goes. Nice! Yes! I think it's supposed to do different things. It's supposed to flash. There we go. If you just tap it, it flashes. Awesome. Stupid torch.
Flash, savior of the universe. Flash, he'll save every one of us.